Mike Relly Francisco, running for Math Up Department. So first, I want to present to you my platform. Just remember the word matches. So first, MA, I want to propose a new project. It's called Mathemagics. So we want AMS members to appreciate math applications more. So the concept of this project is similar to that of Math and Mathsaya, but this time this is for AMS members. So Toxa and New Genies and Amazing Race will still be part of this project. Then G is for get-togethers for math application members. So department general assemblies will be consistently at least twice per semester. So I make it twice per semester because of not more than, siguro kasi mahirap pag masyadong madaming meetings, parang hindi siya masyadong realistic for me. Kasi given the academic environment dito na marami tayong kailangan gawin. Then, anong meron sa get-togethers ng MA members? So, first is to update members. So, update members on the status of the math application projects, yung status ng the organization as a whole. Then, next is to ask for their suggestions. So, kung may nakikita silang hindi magandang nangyayari sa, for example, sa math department. So, we can hear their suggestions. Then, yung get-together, mainly yung purpose niya is to build a family within the department. Then, my third platform is involvement of department heads and members to the math application project. So, I envision the department heads to be more focused on the project from the planning of every project and up to the evaluation at the end of every project. So, and also, aside from the project heads and the core teams, I'm hoping that volunteers will be part of the project. Volunteers not really for the execution of the project, but volunteers, they can work with the project even from the start, so that more ideas will be generated to improve the project. Then S, lastly, is to stimulate and revitalize past and current math application projects. So the Camp Math and the Mathsaya will remain as the avenue for high school students to increase their enthusiasm in math and also to meet other high school students from other schools. So, and also I believe that as math majors, financial literacy is an integral part of our studies. So I want to bring back the financial literacy seminar. So to provide an in-depth finance information to those students who is really into finance. Then lastly, with my current project now, MathCall, MathCon will continue next year, but given a slight change that finance will not be a part of it, but instead for the FLS. So remember my platform, Mathemagics, get-togethers, involvement, and stimulation. So remember, I'm Magis Mike, and there's no way but up.